All right, let's see what we got here in the basement. We just bought us some quick pins. These are the spring-loaded pins that go in the front landing jacks. These things right here, they go all the way through. They're spring-loaded, locks your legs in place. And the reason we bought some, we have 2 old ones and I think 1 more new one in the basement. But for some reason, when you jack up one side of your RV to change tires or repack bearings or things like that, and you're not that careful, you can bend these things pretty easy because you're jacking up one side and you're putting all the weight on the other side, which is not the best way to do it. So we have a couple extra ones now, brand new ones. You see, we date everything when we get it and install it. That's our get date. When we install it, it'll say installed in the date. How do you keep track of stuff that you keep extra parts for? Or do you just shove them in your basement? Let me know. So this used to be our sticker wall on our slide, and we've been working on it for a long time. I pulled almost all the stickers off of the wall, and it has left some residue, which I have scraped and scraped and scraped and couldn't get off. So we're trying this Graph X off. It says vinyl graphic and paint remover. I followed the instructions. This is the second time through. You can still see the shadow of stuff. And we're going to try to get that off and see if it works, because nothing else that we've tried has worked. Not even elbow grease, and I don't have much left of that. This is tough. So we bought some of this spray, backyard bug control. It's like an outdoor, well, it is an outdoor fogger. So we're going to try it here at our summer landing spot with Kevin and Wendy in the evening and try to keep rid of some of the bugs on the patio and around our rig where we sit. Because usually in the evening it's pretty calm. There's no wind at all, so this might work. We're going to try it. We'll let you know how it comes out. We put some of that stuff on the wall, and it almost looks clean. There's 1 sticker. There are 2 stickers. There's 3 stickers. All the rest of the stickers are gone. There's still a little bit of shadowing, but all in all, it looks pretty good. Look how close. You can see we can get close to that. Looks pretty good. I'll be dang. Huh, I did something that worked.
Our package. I know what's in it. Tom ordered it, not me.
Need some man to help you open that up there, lady?
Nope. See? It's stuck. Advertisement. And their little promo stuff from Sticker Mule.
That's where we get our stickers.
We got new ones. Life is short. Make it sweet.
Ta-da!
Yay.
New stickers.
Yep.
You want stickers?
Let us know.
Let us know. We'll sell them to you for $500,000 a piece.
Wow, another package. Must be Christmas. Actually, I know what's in here. And amazingly, this box is appropriate for what's inside. the size of it is appropriate for what's inside.
I hope it's food because I'm hungry.
You ought to be. I won't go into detail. Paper. So, I mean, it's not too bad. Not compared to putting a little tiny thing like this in a big old box. Got another selfie stick tripod dealy, my bobber. We already have one. Tom's using it as we speak. But we needed another one. So
nice.
This is what he is holding. So it can be used, you can take this off and you can put something else on it, or you can use this, which is kind of what I'm going to do mostly for my phone.
Shooting things with your phone.
Yep. And so you can turn it, that, and you can, doesn't it go, yeah, it does. You have to go like this. Oh, that's widening it right there.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
So, yeah. It goes in there. And then you tighten it back up.
So another toy.
Yeah. You hog that one all the time, so I needed one. Woohoo! We got a new something.
Another toy for you.
I guess you could call it that. Anything that makes life easier is a good thing, right?
Well, that's me.
You make life easier?
For you? So what did you order?
I ordered, ta-da! Something for our black tank. Oop. And our toilet. It's getting hung up. It's one of those, a swivel stick. So it's one of those things where you hook up your garden hose to this, and then this goes down in your toilet to clean the tank.
Well, supposedly it sprays the tank.
Yeah, sprays.
And we have a sprayer inside, a built-in one.
But
it doesn't do much good.
It doesn't. Those could be, the one inside could be kind of clogged, you know, from hard water getting on it and other stuff. So this is something that will go down in there, and I also want it to clean the tube that goes down into the toilet. So
well, we'll see, won't we?
We will see.
Hey, does anybody else have one of these things, and have you used it, and have you been successful? Let us know in the comments below. Like the black tank, below.
What do we get now?
We got something that's going to replace this.
Ooh.
This is our telescoping ladder that doesn't telescope anymore.
No.
Because somebody left it out in the dust and the wind and the rain. And it served its purpose. We had it for
several years,
long time. But it doesn't collapse anymore, so we've been traveling without a ladder for the last 1.5 to 2 years.
No, just the last year, yeah. We left it here.
And we needed something.
Yeah, so what's up with this freaking box, though?
This is kind of scary because it looks like they've tried to add more tape to it, like it came open and maybe something fell out. Who knows? A couple little nicks here and there, but even the top and the bottom. I mean, it
looks like something that's been in storage and moved around a lot for a while. There's a big gash in it over here.
But then I looked at one of several labels on it. It came from Ontario, Canada, and it went to Jefferson, Georgia, and then traveled all the way across the U.S. to get here to us in Reno, Nevada. So
well,
let's just find out what we really have in here. Looks nice so far. Of course, I should turn it around the other way.
oh, there you go. Instead of me trying to hold it.
Look at that.
Oh, yay. For years with this one, it would take the both of us to try and close it. So this little spot right here, I used to have to stick a screwdriver in there to hold it so that it would open enough, oops, dropping stuff, to close it.
Okay, let's see what we've got here. We
bought this ourselves.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ladder instructions. 1 foot above the other, I guess, huh? Here. If it's instructions, it's for you to read.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got some caps. Some knobs. We'll have to figure out what those knobs are for.
We never did find out if you could stop it at any particular point.
You can't. Yeah, we did.
Oh, you did find it. Okay. Has to be fully extended. Woo! How tall is this one?
You've got the paper.
I don't think it says it on this.
Look at that. It goes over the roof.
Woohoo!
The other one was a 10-foot 9-inch ladder. I think this one's 14.
Yay! All right, get busy. All the stuff that you need to do that you've had the excuse, I don't have a ladder. Now you do.
I've been borrowing Kevin's ladders.
Now that we're here, we really needed something
nice.
to take with us.
It's nice to have this to travel with, so we're going to see what those knobbies are for. I just don't even see a place for them. All right, here we go.
What else did you get?
We got another box. Let's see what's in this one. It's always like Christmas, because I can't remember what I ordered. Oh! It's my...
That's good. Use your knife. Slice it
Oh,
open.
duh. It's my die core.
Oh, so this means we're... Oh, you've got a new ladder now. And now you have your die core. You can get to work.
Here we go.
Here we go. Did you order the right thing?
Yeah, I want to make sure it was the same color.
Cool white, off-white, warm white, eggshell white.
Dove bright white.
Oh, Dove bright white. Oh, excuse me. Go for a stop recording.